if you are playing with the Sharia, which already has within it the concessions that are necessary, and we start to violate some of those rules and find loopholes and things of that sort, we are imitating the behavior that Allah Azza wa Jal is admonishing in the very first few surahs of the Quran. Allah Azza wa Jal has already put within the Sharia that you don't have to go do something that is so hard on you, because it's there. It's a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You overslept, you ate by accident, it's a gift from Allah Azza wa Jal. Just go back to what you know, because you're following the way. It's already there. The Sharia that's been given to us is the easiest of the legislations that was given to the prophets of old. Our salah, our zakah, our siyam. The spirit of Islam is that whether Allah gave us azaim or rukhas, as the Prophet ﷺ said, the hard things, relatively hard, not undue burdens, but things that require determination, or Allah gave us concessions. Allah loves that you partake in both. And in fact, Allah rewards you for partaking in both.